Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Favicon icon to your Wix website. If not, we say browser tab icon. Okay, let's see how to do that. Here I have already logged into my Wix account. Then we need to go to website dashboard. Put the cursor on the website and click on select site. Okay, this is the dashboard. Click on settings. Then click on website settings. Then scroll down. Here you can see Favicon. Click on upload image. Here you can select the icon from your site or you can upload a new icon. Here I am going to select this. Click on choose file. Here you can see icon next to site title on browser tab. Click on save. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.